In this video, I'll show you how you can install and activate the PowerPack Pro add-on for Elementor on your website. Before we can start setting up the plugin, you need to first purchase and download it. And here's how you can do that. First of all, go to powerpackelements.com. You can find the link to the website in the description down below. Once you're on the website, go to pricing and select the plan that you want to opt for. Click on the Get Started button and complete the checkout process to purchase the plugin. Once you have successfully purchased the plugin, go to My Account. You can find the link in the top navigation bar. Now in the Downloads tab, look for PowerPack Elements and click on the Files link to initiate the download. The download will start automatically. Now go back to your website's admin dashboard. Once you are in the dashboard, go to Plugins and click on Add New. As you can see, PowerPack is an add-on for Elementor, so we have Elementor already installed on our website. On the Add New Plugin page, click on Upload Plugin button and choose the file that you want to upload, which will be the PowerPack Elements file that we just downloaded, and click on the Install Now button. Once the plugin is installed successfully, click on the Activate Plugin button. We have successfully installed PowerPack Pro for Elementor. Now we just need to activate the license to start using it. Here's how you can do that. Click on the settings link under PowerPack Pro for Elementor. Now go back to powerpackelements.com and log into your account and head over to License Keys tab. Select the license keys and copy them. Now go back to your website and paste the license keys and click on Save Changes button. Right now the license status is inactive. Click on the Activate License button to activate the license on this website. And with that, you have successfully installed PowerPack Elements add-on on your website, and you can start creating beautiful websites with the plugin. If you want further help, do visit our website's documentation or leave a comment down below, and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more Elementor related content. Thank you for watching.